Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really awesome tie-dye Easter eggs. So a couple things that you're going to need are a pair of gloves, unless of course you are trying to dye your hands like I did here, as well as some food color and egg dye drops. I'm using the neon ones from McCormick. I think they give a really awesome bright color. And a coffee filter as well as your egg. So I'm going to start by putting some gloves on my hands so my hands are not any more colorful than they are. All right, so now that my gloves are on, I'm going to get my egg and I want to place it so the thinner side of the egg is facing up. And I'm going to place it in the middle, and then basically I'm just going to wrap it in there like I'm wrapping a present. And I want to make sure that all of the coffee filter, all the sides are touching the sides of the egg. So I'm going to pull this nice and tight at the top here. And then what I'm going to do is just kind of pinch it and hold it upside down. So this way my colors can kind of drip together. And I'll just start by adding just one drop at a time. I like to let the colors spread first before adding the next color so that I know where it's going. I did notice that the pink, maybe it's because there's pink and purple, the pink tends to spread a lot, and so most of my eggs have turned out primarily pink, so I'm trying to use a little bit less of that color. But you can see all the color is going to spread around, and I'm going to fill up the entire egg with this. Now, as you get closer to the top, you're going to have a little bit more paper that you got to get through. So what I like to do is just kind of stick the color in the little creases and drop it in that way. So that way I know that the color is getting to the egg. And you should have everything colored that is touching the egg. Now you can use a paper towel for this just to prevent your gloves from getting totally covered. Just put the paper towel around the egg, and you're just going to kind of press down on all sides to kind of push the color into the egg. So after about 10 seconds or so, you are ready to open up and see your brilliantly colored tie-dye egg. Now, for most of us, you're going to have a little extra color in certain places. You can see where it's dark. I just take the paper towel and just kind of dab it off wherever I have those spots. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so that is all there is to it. I hope you guys make these, and if you do, please share them with me. I would love to see pictures. As always, have fun.